color.
See if you like it after this. Uh-oh. Did you say you have a pulley? Are you sexually harassing me? Oh my. We won't take that. Hypnotic purple, seduction. That thing is a motherfucker. That's beautiful. See that? I know what you're thinking. Do we have coochie? No, we got chest. Why you always gotta be so damn cool?
I don't know, man.
He's just like,
So I'm gonna go to that hookah bar.
You got asthma. I can't breathe in the bitch. Oh yeah, it is that big ass bug that's going around. I had that shit at the beginning of the year.
Activities and daytime activities, and I definitely want to ask me when the sun is setting.
Yeah, no, for real.
She's got
a... Ooh, I nutted. How does it feel to get squished on? His girlfriend's right here, y'all. Just play all fucking day. Just all fucking day, okay? We've known each other for quite some time.
no comment.
Hey, this is for my guys, because you guys always swear that you can't come in here and just get a good one of these. No, I'm done. I'm done, man. He's done violating this man. We're done. Bye.